Hello guys, welcome to my channel and Gadget Pro. This is a digital watch. It is your personal trainer, sleep coach and productivity buddy all on your wrist. The Galaxy Watch 8 just dropped and here's everything you need to know. Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 is to work upgrade? Let's find out and skip this video 10 days. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. First up the design globe, the Galaxy Watch 8 keeps that classic circle, mix but feels silker. Thinner and just a more premium but matter body. Brighter, sharper, crucial display and similar bezels look on every wrist. Compared to the Apple Watch, this one doesn't scream take it, blends in with style. Battery base up to 3 full days on a single charge. Thanks to Samsung News X Notes W100 chip plus better power management. Charge for 30 minutes, you are good for whole day. That's double battery life of Apple Watch for similar usages. Your health behavior from heart rate to skin temperature sensing Galaxy Watch 8 is a health enhanced dream. It even tracks stress, SPO2 sleep stress and gives AI-powered coaching for workouts. Bonus new cycle tracking and real-time hydration alert for students grinding all day. Smart feature, smarter life. Reply to text, take calls, use Samsung Wallet. Control music without touching your phone. It syncs perfectly with Galaxy phones. But yes, it still works fine with iPhone and other Androids too. The new one UI6 watch software is smoother and actually useful, not just a flashy. Why upgrade? If you are coming from Watch 5 or older, this is a solid leap. Better screen, longer battery, smart health sensors, and snapper performance. For students or young professionals, it helps you manage time, track health, and stay focused without doom scrolling. So what do you think? Would you pick the Galaxy Watch 8 over an Apple Watch or stick to your old one? Drop your choice in the comments. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and if you want more gadget update to subscribe and in the bell icon for more gadget videos.